This would be made as a gardening vehicle out of an old beat car. The openable doors came in handy as I would take them off for drivers' frequent hop-in hop-offs. It's against the codes without the doors, but as long as the car operates in a closed premises, it's okay. The officer is merely issuing a ticket for it being slightly larger than 1 to 24th scale that it claims to be. A typical gut of a typical die-cast car revealed after disassembly. I liked the car to be a low-trim base model, so I took off the turbo version front spoiler which had 2 fog lights. The rear seat was removed for extra cargo space. I placed various baby plants inside and on the roof plus a bag of fertilizer at the front. One side of the quarter window frame was molded on the glass piece, so I faked a mountain at the spot where one should be. I couldn't find the correct term for that thingy. Muntin is the closest term, but when I searched for Muntin on car window, I got these. Mountain, indeed. Then came the vehicle inspection process. Apparently the inspector wasn't very interested in such a modification to the car, but issued an exempt plate nevertheless. Lucky me, but luck didn't last long when I had to move internationally. I stopped all ongoing projects and brought them to the other side of the planet, only to get this metal beast lose a wheel, not to mention what the plastic guys had to undergo.